Welcome back, creators. We're TrustedShopGuide.com, and today we're in the workshop. In this video, we'll be sharing with you our 7 highest rated rotary hammers. In a world increasingly dominated by DIY television shows and YouTube videos with step-by-step maintenance tips, the home-based handyman and handywoman are beginning to compete with the experts. If you often need to drill and to break your concrete, you want to get your hands on the finest rotary hammer drill available. As you can imagine, finding the perfect heavy-duty and powerful drill is not child's play. Not to worry, since we've put together this list of the top 7 best rotating hammers to guide you in making the proper purchase and achieving all of your DIY goals. The team at TrustedShopGuide.com have researched, assessed, and awarded ratings to all the rotary hammers that'll be presented in this video. We have selected our top-rated options for you to make it easier to decide which one to buy today. To help you further, there are timestamps and direct links to all the products in the description below. You're welcome to check us out on TrustedShopGuide.com for more of our research in the workshop, or alternatively subscribe to this channel for regular updates. The first rotary hammer in our list is the AOBEN Rotary Hammer. With a forward and backward rotatory action, AOBEN's hammer drill is a master at shattering and piercing through solid things. Its double-layer bottom construction allows for anti-dust design, which prevents dust and other residues from collecting within the drill, resulting in a longer usage life. The ergonomic design of this beast, which weighs in at a hefty 12 pounds, was created for your ultimate comfort. TrustedShopGuide.com has awarded the AOBEN Rotary Hammer a 4-batch rating. The team recommends this purchase based on the following. Powerful motor. This electric rotary hammer drill is fueled by a dominating 13-ampere motor that packs a punch with each use to complete heavy-duty projects in concrete, masonry, and metal. 360-degree handle. It's designed to bring comfort to your hands while performing those robust tasks. The ergonomic design delivered with a fully adjustable rubber 360-degree handle lets you hold onto the drill in just about any position. 3-in-1 perks. It comes with the ability to fast switch between 3 different modes, each providing a different outcome. Chisel mode for cutting and shaping objects, hammer drill mode to make holes in concrete, and drill mode to drill through solid objects. Durable built. The cleverly designed heat exhaust system effectively avoids the motor from overheating and protects it from problems caused by excessive temperature. Keeping all that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy the product is, it's quite heavy, which can be challenging to use. The second rotary hammer in our list is the Bosch Rotary Hammer. This tool is ideal for masonry professionals and general builders since it's lighter and longer than previous versions, measuring 17.4 by 3.5 by 8.5 inches. Its strong performance and clever mechanical and operator characteristics makes it a must-have powerful tool for DIYers. If you're looking for a strong drill, the Bosch hammer drill is your best bet. Extreme by name and nature, the Bulldog is designed to drill, hammer, and also chisel. TrustedShopGuide.com has awarded the Bosch Rotary Hammer a 4-batch rating. The team recommends this purchase based on the following. Vario lock positioning. This allows the user to rotate and lock a chisel at the optimum working angle. Kickback control. This feature uses an integrated sensor to stop the tool's rotation in the event of an accidental kickback or bit jamming. This helps the user maintain control of this powerful tool. Vibration control. It has a counterbalance system moving in the opposite direction of the striker to allow for more effective hammering action and improve user comfort during drilling or chiseling applications. Powerful motor. The tool provides a powerful 8.5 ampere motor that delivers 2.4 foot-pounds of impact energy for drilling in masonry and concrete as well as handling chipping. Keeping all of that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy the product is, the case is a bit thin. The third rotary hammer in our list is the ENEACRO Rotary Hammer. The ENEACRO Rotary Hammer is equipped with a 392-degree Fahrenheit resistant copper wire motor that allows long working hours without burning the machine. Despite a possible mishap, there will be no damage whatsoever. If you're in the business of building, this heavy-duty construction rotary hammer is the ideal tool for you. With a weight of 18.5 pounds and measuring 15.75 by 9.84 by 3.94 inches, it's capable of working on wood, masonry, concrete, brick, and metal. TrustedShopGuide.com has awarded the ENEACRO Rotary Hammer a 4-batch rating. The team recommends its purchase based on the following. Robust motor. The hammer is equipped with a 13-ampere industrial motor with 5.5 feet-pounds of impact energy. It's designed to make quick work of heavy-duty concrete and metalworking projects. 360-degree adjustable handle. The rotating auxiliary handle significantly minimizes fatigue. It is designed for long working hours. Dust-proof design. The motor structure is designed to prevent dust from entering the motor, allowing workers to do their job in a dust-free working situation. Innovative vibration control system. The tool's vibration damping technology allows smooth operation. In addition, it features a soft grip handle designed for less fatigue and precise control. Keeping all that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy the product is, it gets hot quickly. The fourth rotary hammer in the list is the Dewalt Rotary Hammer. The Dewalt Rotary Hammer is a high-performance hammer that's driven by a Dewalt brushless motor and a German-engineered mechanism. Its lightweight design at 11.9 pounds makes it ideally suited for horizontal drilling and dry coring. In addition, the brilliant yellow body of the 19.75 by 16 by 4.5 inch hammer is accented with many black sections. TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded the Dewalt Rotary Hammer a 4-batch rating. The team recommends its purchase based on the following: powerful motor. The hammer drill has 6.1 joules of impact energy and 540 rotations per minute for fast drilling and chipping, even in the hardest concrete. Anti-rotation E-clutch system. This feature shuts down the tool in bind-up situations for safety purposes. Active vibration control system. It reduces vibration felt at the handles, allowing for more pleasant use and preventing injury. Cordless. Convenience is never better with a cordless hammer that doesn't give you the troubles and limitations of a power cord. Keeping all of that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy the product is a pair of batteries will last you a good 20 to 30 minutes of continuous work. The fifth rotary hammer on our list is the Milwaukee Rotary Hammer. Milwaukee is well known for its ability to produce high-quality goods at competitive prices. Of course, this model is no exception. If you're looking for a powerful tool at a reasonable price, this may be the answer. For novices, this rotary hammer's steady handle and simple controls make it a good pick. Its compact design at 3.25 by 12.86 by 8.96 inches and 7.8 pound weight make it suitable for usage in tight spaces. TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded the Milwaukee Rotary Hammer a 4-batch rating. The team recommends its purchase based on the following: minimal vibration. This feature can bring convenience and comfort, which can be very helpful in a tough job. Reliable motor. Its 800 watts of power delivers a speed of 1400 rotations per minute, promoting high productivity. Various modes. We love that this tool comes with a multi-function selector to help transform your drill into a regular or rotation hammer. Cordless. With this cordless hammer, you can enjoy freedom of movement, which brings convenience with no limitations. Keeping all of that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy the product is this drill comes with a 3.0 ampere battery, which is decent enough, but that might be insufficient if you intend to use your drill for longer. The sixth rotary hammer on our list is the Skil Rotary Hammer. For those searching for a lightweight rotary hammer drill that can effortlessly power through concrete, the Skil Rotary Hammer is an excellent option. Superior drilling performance is provided by 850 watts of power, which generates 1,400 revolutions per minute. It weighs just 7.23 pounds, and the body of this 9.33 by 18.74 by 3.54 inch hammer boasts a strong red and black mechanical design with several intricate patterns that give the hammer a powerful appearance. TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded the Skil Rotary Hammer a 4-batch rating. The team recommends its purchase based on the following: battery powered. This hammer has a cordless body and can be charged in just 5 minutes or fully charged in 60 minutes. Digital brushless motor. It provides efficient, high-performance power when drilling through tough surfaces like brick, concrete, and other masonry. 4-mode selector. You can transition between drill, hammer drill, chisel, and chisel alignment settings, which reduces time and increases efficiency. Quick bit changes. The SDS Plus chuck allows for easy and secure bit changes to keep your project going. Keeping all that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy the product is it needs special drill bits as it's incompatible with regular ones. The seventh rotary hammer on our list is the MPT Rotary Hammer. This high-quality industrial-style strength rotary hammer drill is designed to handle the toughest of DIY projects. It can drill, chisel, and also hammer through brick, stone, or concrete walls. It also has a lot of handy operator features, an ergonomic handle with a measurement of 15.4 by 3.9 by 9.8 inches, and weighs 10.91 pounds. Its fiery red color gives it a commanding and domineering appearance. TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded the MPT Rotary Hammer a 4-batch rating. The team recommends its purchase based on the following: 3 modes. You can switch between drill mode, hammer mode, and hammer drill mode for a multi-function feature that can accommodate all your work needs. High-performance motor. It has a 1500-watt high-performance motor with an 880 rotations per minute speed to help you finish heavy-duty projects faster. Broad application. This professional rotary hammer can drill through wood, masonry, concrete, and steel with a diameter of up to 1 inch. Rotation handle. Its rubber and 360 degrees adjustable handle provide a comfortable feeling when in use. Keeping all of that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy the product is it's slower than other rotary hammers. And there you have it, folks, our 7 highest rated rotary hammers, which got our team at TrustedShoppingGuide.com excited this year. If you have any contenders for a next rotary hammer roundup, which you would like our team to test, do drop it in the comments section below, and we'll be sure to assess them for a next update. If you like this video and it helps you in any way, please do give it a like and hit the subscribe button so that you can stay connected and updated with all of our research into everything that makes our workshops great. We look forward to seeing you at the TrustedShoppingGuide.com again soon.